So y'all, as y'all can tell by the title, I made breakfast. So if you want to see how I made this breakfast, stay tuned. I will be making cream, cheese, pancakes. Don't worry about the griddle with pancakes already on it. I was making banana pancakes for my children. But y'all will use a spoon of cream cheese. And y'all will use 2 eggs. You also want to use cinnamon. You will want to use Splendor. And I used about 6 packs. And I put a dab of vanilla extracts in mine as well. And so once I do that, I blend it up. I don't have a NutriBullet, as you can tell. I have a regular blender. I just blend it up. I make sure I cleaned off the griddle from my girls' pancakes because my husband don't like banana taste, so I didn't want him to have that taste on his pancakes. So as y'all can tell, I'm just spreading the oil around. Everything that I'm making today is under 8 carbs, and so as y'all know, I'm on a weight loss journey, so I'm just watching my carb intake. And so as I'm letting the pancakes sit on the griddle, it is forming different ways, so you have to kind of like use your spatula to kind of form it out as a pancake look. And so you'll be able to tell that it eventually starts forming. I have my griddle on 350. And so y'all want to make sure y'all cook the pancakes maybe 2 minutes maybe on the griddle, because as y'all can tell, it's easily to rip. So y'all want to make sure, or easily to tear as I may say, make sure that it is fully done about 2 minutes, 2 minutes and a half before you flip them. It was a struggle, but as you could tell now, I'm able to flip them over. I let the other ones cook a little bit longer just to make sure they were able to flip, and they still came out good. So now y'all, I'm going to be making a omelet. So I cut up green peppers, onions, and I cut up some mushrooms. I added everything together. And then I add a cup of spinach. The smell in my house was just it just smelled so good, y'all. I don't like onions regular, but I will eat onions grilled, and it just tastes so good. Okay, y'all, so I cleaned off the griddle again, and I added my oil. And so on my eggs, y'all, I love Perfect Seasoning. If y'all have a Carly C's in your local area, I get it from Carly C's. It's called Perfect Seasoning. I'm adding bacon bits to my eggs as well. And so I am making 3 eggs. And so all I do is, once I crack all my eggs, I just use the spatula to spread it out. And I just add the seasoning. Okay, and I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of bacon bits. And then I'm going to add my spinach, onions, and green peppers. And then I'm going to add my cheese. And so what I do is I flip my omelet 3 times. I season it on top with Perfect Seasoning again. And then I will flip it over and I will season it 1 more time. So as I let it sit for a while, you're going to see I'm going to flip it again. And then I'm going to use some parsley. I love parsley, so I'm putting parsley on it. And it's all done. I'm going to cut it in half. Smells so good. That looks delicious. all my pancakes, I use sugar-free syrup, and it only has 1 carb in it. Y'all, I'm telling you, this tastes really good. And to be honest, this is the first time I ever really made a omelet this way. And so it just came out delicious. Y'all definitely should try it. I always keep me a bottle of water. I drink one with every meal and just throughout the day. Y'all, not only does it look good, it really tastes good. Do y'all see that? I'm telling you, I'm enjoying every bite. That water was so cold, but it tastes so good. Y'all remember to, hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss an upload from me. I want to say thank you to all my subscribers. I really appreciate you tuning in to my channel. I will see y'all on Tuesday for my weigh-in. Talk to y'all later. Bye.